Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drill presses for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the JDP17. If you are in the market for the best drill press for woodworking, then you need to check out this model from JET. This company has a long history of making excellent drill presses, and this is no exception. It has one of the biggest spindle ranges of any drill press, which makes it easy to get the depth you need with a quick turn of the handle. One of the biggest issues with drill presses is that the speed is difficult to adjust. You usually need a few tools and a bunch of time to get the job done. Thankfully, that is not the case with this drill. You only need one hand to quickly and easily switch to one of the 16 different speed settings. This drill also has a humongous upper limit, making it great for any project you have in mind. Something else that makes drilling with this press a pleasure is the table. Not only is it big enough to accommodate large projects, but it is also grooved. These grooves make it quick and easy to line up your project and center your holes. The table can also be moved up and down the column, which will allow you to complete those larger of projects. The only real downside of this otherwise excellent press is the chuck key. It is, unfortunately, a bit difficult to use, which makes changing bits a bit tricky, especially on smaller bits. However, as long as you are sure to tighten it up as much as you can every time, you should be good to go. The quill also tends to vibrate a bit on higher RPM, so keep that in mind, so your projects don't get damaged in any way. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nova 58000 Voyager DVR drill press. The great thing about drill presses is that they can be used for a variety of materials. Which is why it makes sense to look for a press that can handle wood, metal, or any other material that you might want to drill. If this sounds like you, then you've got to check out the Nova 5800 Voyager. It has one of, if not the, most powerful motor on the market today. If you wire it for 220 volts, it can provide you with 2 HP of power. This can, obviously, produce some extremely high RPM. In fact, it can go all the way up to 5500 RPM, which is perfect for precision work on thin materials. Thankfully, the manufacturers of this drill were not only thinking about powering through on every drilling project. If you do that, you are liable to mess up any project you are working on. This drill has a soft start feature that helps to keep your drill under control when you are first getting started. The operation is also ridiculously smooth, thanks in part to its direct drive system. Another great feature for this drill press is it's easy to read and operate the display. With the electronic package on this drill, you can easily and swiftly set the speed you want and get started drilling, with no tools necessary. This display will also give you a quick reference guide as to which speed to use on which materials. At number 3, we have the WEN 4214. Though it is true that benchtop drills are not all that great for working on metal, they are great tools for use on wood. If you are looking for the best benchtop drill for woodworking, then be sure to check out this model from WEN. Its 2/3 HP motor is not powerful enough for metal but will be perfect for wood. It has a highly adjustable speed setting, which will allow you to set the speed anywhere from 580-3200 RPM. Setting the speed is made quick and easy thanks to the digital speed readout. With this simple-to-read display, you can be sure that you are drilling at the exact speed that you need to get the job done right. You will just want to be careful with the controls, however. They are, unfortunately, not the most durable, so you need to be sure that you use them as gently as possible. The WEN 4214 has both a laser guide and an LED work light. Both of these illuminating tools make it much easier to get accurate cuts or holes. The laser is especially helpful since it speeds up the process and makes it that much easier to drill exactly where you want to every time. Though benchtop models are smaller by nature, that doesn't mean they can't have a larger table. This drill press comes with a nice-sized work table on its own, but what sets it apart from other presses is the extension. You can extend the side of the table to help accommodate larger pieces of wood, which is quite handy. At number 2, we have the HICO Benchtop Drill Press. One of the biggest benefits that a benchtop drill press can offer you is portability. Since they are so lightweight, you can move them around your shop, put them away when they are not in use, or take them with you when you are working somewhere else. The HICO Benchtop Drill Press is nice and portable, which makes it great for a woodworker on the go, or someone with a smaller sized shop that needs to save their space. This is also one of the safest drill presses you can buy, too. It comes with a safety switch that makes it impossible for the drill to power on by accident. Not only will this feature help to keep you safer while you work, but it will also make sure that your projects aren't accidentally damaged either. The motor drill press is small in size but big in power. It can provide plenty of speed for work on pretty much any type of wood, even hardwoods. It does not, unfortunately, have a large selection of speed settings to work with, however. The motor also has a nice stopping system. This belt-style system makes it quick and easy to start and stop the drill. And finally at number 1, we have the Skil 3320-01. Drill presses, on the whole, are highly adjustable pieces of equipment that make completing lots of different projects much easier and more precise than handheld drills. Such is the case with this model from Skil. It is perhaps the most adjustable benchtop drill out there, which makes it a great tool to have in a woodworking shop. The table is especially useful in this manner. Not only can this table be moved up and down with the turn of a crank, but it can also be easily tilted up to and including 45 degrees. This maneuverability helps to provide the flexibility you need to complete more complex projects. If you are someone who likes to experiment with their projects or just has a complex workload, then this is a great drill to get. It is very good that this drill has such an adjustable table since the quill does not have a large travel range. Since you can move the table up close, however, this isn't too big of an issue. As you would expect from a smaller sized press, this model doesn't have a huge RPM range or a bunch of speed settings. It is still, however, more than enough for most woodworking projects, unless you are trying to use very hard woods or larger pieces. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.